Io, iaio iaoe, iaio. I know. I've been training for that for years. So something we don't have is enough verbs. So I've already done one, which is big. Lour, which is derived from creature, like brown. So we need to think, well, for a start, small. Small. We don't have anything to compare to small. I don't know exactly what to do with yes and no, because it seems like something to come up with, but I don't know. Is it a verb? Is it a noun? An adjective? A post thing that I forgot the name of? Preposition? I'm very bad at that. I should pay more attention in English, but as well as the sound, because what I just said was creature, hunter, hunt, which would have been the hunter hunts the creature. But what it should have been is somehow the creature is hunted by the hunter. And that can't be purely a English quirk, because every language I know has it. So, yeah. So we have small, so we'll just have to use our imagination for that. Iaoi. Just check that's nothing. Yeah. And this means small. Next we should probably define dark. Yeah. You need to think, like, what would you, if you had no recollection of a language, what would you want to define as fast as possible? And I mean, yeah, dark could then later devolve into, I keep calling it devolving, I don't think I should. It would later transcend into night, dark time, or dark future. So it would be, yeah, okay. So what we'll do is we'll create a noun for dark, which would be derived from sky, and creature, it would be the creature traversing the sky. I feel like that should be the word for night, but yeah. So, since the adjective, sorry, it's not technically an adjective, unless you say creature-like, but let's put creature before sky. So, iwo, oi, oye, iwo, oye. So, iwo, oye, or ie. Yeah, we've got diff on there, but I feel like that might eventually getting rid of ioi. Yeah, so one of those is lost. Ioi. Yeah. Okay. So this would mean dark. Dark, okay. Then later, night, which I think is a noun. So future. I think that future wouldn't define time in a culture, so a culture probably would. So, oya, hold on, why has hunter got future at the end of it? That must be a mistake. A good one though, because languages always have mistakes. So, ioi. Ioi. Yeah. Ioi. The I is gonna get lost. Iu, or, and then forget the I sound, and directly to oya. Ioya. Let's keep the diff on. Yeah. Oh, we could make a rule against diphthongs, but no, let's not. Okay, sorry, I've got that in the wrong category. I'll just quickly night and move you over to here. Okay, we have enough here. Something I want to do is, because we only had hunt before in the last episode, we didn't have big back then. So all you could do is say free worded sentence. So you couldn't say the hunter, with the help of the god of hunting, hunted the creature. In fact, yeah, let's make one for help. Also, dark is an adjective. So, wait, so is small and big. How did no. I do not. Okay, we seem to be back to one verb, because all the others were mistakes. So yeah, let's put help, which would equal... sorry, no. Help would probably be us. You help, or you. It would probably be you help me. That would be, because words don't necessarily need to be fusions. They need to be abbreviated to how commonly they would be used with each other. So dark would be called creature sky, because that's how they would describe it. The creature sky up there, the creature in the sky up there. And it would devolve into that. So help would probably be you help me. So probably the end of you and the beginning of us, which nicely makes yeah. Which, I like that. I like yeah. Alright. Yeah. Okay. This would mean help. Let's have a word for dead. Yeah. Again, the context it would be used as is creature. So again, we'd have a word derived from creature. Dark creature. Though I suppose you don't need to think of dark as with death. Maybe just hunter creature, as in hunter, get the dead creature. Yeah. So okay. Yeah, no, that's the worst sound. So oya, and creature, you. Yeah, the second I sound would probably get lost. So ea, I, oya, or I. No. Ea, I, o, I, uo. No, sorry, I'm thinking of French. Ea, I, o, I, uo. Because in French, the A and the I sound make the E, which is, yeah, very annoying. So, oh wait, this would mean dead. Dead. Noun. Sorry, no. Verb. That's probably what we're working on, verbs. verb such as to kill. Dead. Job. Actually, what if we make the word to make from job? So, yeah. EI, you know, just to account for human indecision. Hold on, all our verbs start with EI. I guess that works. Could verb with job? Don't think I did that consciously. EI would mean to make. And then killer would, but not like a serial killer, like, I guess hunter, but maybe, I know, little wars, turf fighting things. So EI, E, A, I, O, I, A, I, U, O. Ayo, Ia, Ayo, Yao. The U is going to get lost. The A is going to get lost. So E, I, O, I. That second I is going to get lost. E, I, O, Ia, O. E, I, O. Okay. E, I, O. Yao. Good. This would mean killer. Good. Very, very good. Maybe when we get back to making gods, we could have... Nah, never mind. Killer... Brown. What if we get... Can you have one sound words? Yeah, you can. R, like A. That's one sound. Yeah. So, what if you make E equal color? Color. Am I spelling color right? Have I forgotten how to spell color? Well, it depends if you do the American or English. And I'm civilized, so I do English. Okay. So color. And then we can make deaf color. So E-I-O-I, 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 E-I-O-I. Isn't that the same one? No, it isn't. Is it? No, it isn't. Very similar though. And this would mean red. To heal. To... What jobs would you make? You'd have a hunter. Helper would suggest a doctor. Maker would, yeah, I know, just artisans. And killer would be fighter. What else could you possibly want? I mean, obviously now you've got tax collectors and everything, but they don't have taxes. They're too innocent. I might think it over until the next episode. That was very smooth of me, because we're nearly 15 minutes, and yeah. Goodbye. I think I probably did very good progress, even though I've only done like 8 words, but yeah. I like this language. It's very hard to pronounce, but I like it. So yeah, bye.